help customers every day who just want laundry to be easier. LG's top-load washers are designed with that in mind, combining smart features, easy access, and a clean modern look. Let's start with the features that stand out across the lineup. Starting with easy unload, LG added a gentle forward angle to the washer, making it easier to reach deep inside without straining. These models use built-in intelligence to identify fabric type and load size, then adjust to wash automatically. With smart pairing, the washer can even tell the dryer which cycles to run next. With the LG ThinQ app, I can start or monitor loads remotely, download new cycles, or even use voice assistants. It's a really easy way to stay on top of the laundry without hovering over it. They're impressively quiet thanks to the True Balance anti-vibration and low decibel operation, which keeps even big loads running smoothly, especially helpful if your laundry room is on the main floor or upstairs. 6-motion technology tailors the wash motions to the cycle, using stronger action for stains and gentler movement for delicates, so clothes come out cleaner and stay in good shape longer. Now let's cover each model. Starting with the 8200, you get a 5 cubic foot capacity, which is a great size for everyday laundry. You can choose between an impeller or a 4-way agitator, depending on whether you prefer a gentle wash or a more traditional cleaning action. Step up to the 8400 and you'll get a larger 5.5 cubic foot capacity, big enough to wash a king-size comforter and a full set of bedding in one load. Turbo Wash 3D speeds things up with a full clean in about 29 minutes, using strong water jets and independent movement to stay quick but gentle. At the top of the lineup, we have the 8600, designed for convenience. You still get the same large capacity and Turbo Wash 3D, plus features that take the hassle out of laundry day. The built-in water faucet lets me spot clean stains right in the tub. No sink needed. EZ Dispense is a nice little upgrade. It automatically adds the right amount of detergent and softener. It lasts for weeks between refills and even lets you know when it's time to top it off. The LCD digital dial takes the design up a notch, making it quick and easy to select cycles with a modern look. Overall, LG's top-load lineup offers options that fit every routine. You can visit us in store to get set up with delivery and install, or explore more on bestbuy.com and in the app to find the right one for you.